In this example, Holyoke College math students, we're going to complete a scatter plot of some data. We're going to fit a line to that data, and then we're going to find the equation of that line. So when I say we're going to fit a line to that data, we're going to put a line of best fit on the data points. Now, the scale and the labels for this scatter plot are already done for us, so it's just a matter of putting the points in the right spots. So this first one is at 0 and 128. So that's about here. Now we can't be entirely accurate with a scale like this one, but we can be reasonably accurate. I'll just fix that up a bit. So say about there, that's close enough to say that that's about 128. So then 1 and 115, well this one's an easy one. That's right on that point there. So you might want to pause the video and complete these points and then see if you get the same as me. Okay, I'll have a go at it now. Finish these ones off. So just near enough is good enough in this situation with a scale like this. And 6 and 82 down about there. Okay, so we can definitely see this downwards trend. So we've got a person here who started outweighing 128 kilograms, and they've gone on to a weight loss program, and over 6 months have gotten down to 82 kilograms. So they've lost weight each month, and we can see that reflected in this downward trend here. Okay, so let's put a line of best fit to this. Now, I don't have a ruler to do this, so I'm going to get this as straight as I can. You should use a ruler to do this. And that's not too bad. That'll do without a ruler, but you guys definitely use a ruler to do your line of best fit. Now, the next task is to put 2 points, find 2 points on the line, any 2 points. Now, just to illustrate this, we don't really even care about our data points anymore. We only, I don't want to get rid of that. Just want to get rid of the data points just to show that they're not the focus anymore. Okay, we want to find 2 points on the line of best fit. All right, so I'm going to find these 2 points on the line of best fit. So original data isn't needed anymore. But I'll just go back on that so that we have it there anyway. But we just want to find any 2 other points on the line of best fit. So I'll mark those with this orange. Now, a good thing to do is find something that's pretty close to a cross in the grid, because it's easy to tell what the coordinates of that point are. Oh, it might not be entirely easy without any others there. Let's say we'll go with this one here as well. And I'm going to say this point, this first one that I labelled, is 3 and 105. Close enough to being right on the 105. And this one here is 4 and 97.5. So a little bit of an estimate again. It's very hard to tell exactly off this sort of a scale. It's not a highly detailed scale, but we just sort of estimate what those 2 points are. Now we want to find out the equation of this line. So we want to use the 2-point method to find the gradient and then complete this equation. Okay, so the 2-point method, using those 2 points. I'm going to calculate my gradient first. So we've had lots of practice at this. Oops. Okay, so for that, you might want to pause the video now and see if you can work that out. Then I'll show you the answer. and we get negative 7.5 is our gradient. Okay, now we put this into the equation using the 2-point method. So okay, so we've had lots of practice with the 2-point method by now. We're going to use it to find the equation of this line of best fit. Okay, so rearranging this, first expand those brackets, so y take 105 equals negative 7.5x plus, now 3 times 7.5 is 22.5. Of course, negative by negative makes that positive there. Then we bring this 105 over and we end up with this. So 22.5 plus 105, 127.5. So there is the equation of the line of best fit for this situation of the person's weight against the number of months. So of course, if we're going to replace the variables y and x with the variables here, so m for months and w for weight, then the final equation, if I'll write up the top here, weight equals negative 7.5x plus 127.5. Okay, so now you can have a go at completing some scatter plots and finding the equation of the line using the 2-point method. We'll put some questions that you can try into the description for this video.